Hey y'all, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I had a fun shopping day with my sister and my niece. You know how much I love that. I didn't film much while we were out and about, but I have a lot of finds to share with you, starting with these trays at Hobby Lobby. Scott needed a tray to carry his smoking barbecue sauces and spices out to the smoker from the kitchen, and these were 50% off, and we decided on the more rustic one here. It ended up being about $25, and you know this will last forever, and we will get a lot of use out of it, and I can even decorate with it if he stops using it for any reason. Love it. Then we hit Big Lots, and here are a few things that Jenny found. Jenny is going to try out these solar gutter lights. Jenny, if you're watching, comment below and let us know if you like them. Oh, and Jaitlin tried this starry drink. It looks so refreshing. Jenny also picked up these cute, easy shower curtain rings to go with a new liner and curtain, and she told me later that she loved this whole setup, especially the rings because they're so easy and inexpensive. I've been loving the big soap with the pump in the shower. It lasts so long and it's so easy to use, and this Dove is, it comes in actually a lot of different scents, and I really like it. So Jenny actually is the one who got me hooked on it. I use this soap mostly for using it on my exfoliating mitt. If you've watched my videos before, you know Scott and I both love our bar soap, so we have that too. Oh, and I picked up this mug for Scott because you know he is the top dog. Jaitlin needed some shampoo, conditioner, dry shampoo, and heat protectant. You can see the prices here and see if you want to pick up anything from your Big Lots. It seems like some things are cheaper than at Walmart. I bought these sheets at Big Lots for our king bed because they are really soft, and we usually use fleece sheets, but in the summer it's nice to switch to thinner sheets. But Scott said to take them back, so I actually already returned them. He must like the flannel. I always like the flannel all year round, but I always think that he wants thinner sheets, but apparently not. So saved us a little money. They were actually on sale. Instead of $30-some, they were $20-some. So if you need some, these are really soft and a cute light gray color. Okay, we went to Home Goods too. I picked up a few comforter sets. This one for the king bed, and this one was a little too frilly with the ruffles and the bows for Scott, so I ended up putting it in the car to take it back, but it is really pretty and was on clearance, so I just had to share it with you. Then I picked up this one for the girly room. It's really a full-size bed that I have in there, but I got the queen and it came with 10 pieces, so it was a great deal because it was on clearance as well, and I love how it turned out. Just ignore the pillows. They're kind of like not set up correctly, but I wanted to show you everything it came with. We also went to Walmart and I picked up these extra large Hanes really soft comfort fit t-shirts for me to sleep in, and I'm going to use those for when I do a castor oil pack, and I will tell y'all about the castor oil packs in another video, but that's kind of like a healing thing, and I'm going to try it, and they're messy, so that's why I got those t-shirts to wear at night. And then I got these buttery soft pants for only $7.98 from Walmart too. They're too big. I got the double XL because I wanted them to be comfortable, and y'all know I have a big booty, so they were a little too big though. I need to get a different size. And I got this comfort bra by Hanes. You know I've been loving my Hanes bras lately, and so I picked up another one. I think this is going to be good for like wearing under a t-shirt because that color, y'all know my other Hanes bras are like gray and pink, like a darker pink, so that one is like a good color. And these are my new underwear, so this is also from Hanes. This video is not sponsored by Hanes, but if Walmart or Hanes or anyone else would like to sponsor me, just let me know. And here we are in the cleaning aisle at Walmart, and Scott needed some soft scrub. He likes to use soft scrub to clean the shower. Thank you, Scott, for always cleaning the shower. He, in a pinch, in between deep cleaning with soft scrub, uses the Clorox wands, like the toilet wands, because they have like the long handle and you can, just do a quick cleaning with that. But the deep clean, he uses soft scrub. And then I also picked up the pink stuff soft scrub to try that out and see if that's it could be better, could not be better. Y'all let me know if you already know that. And I picked up this $10 watch by Time and True at Walmart. I don't usually wear a watch, but I am a sucker for these rubber bands, I guess the bands that are rubber. I guess they're the most comfortable to me, and so I did pick that up to use when I need a watch. And when we got home, Scott, he was smoking this meat right here, a pork butt, and he said that the rain kind of got in the way of his smoking plans. So he finished it off in the oven, and it had that little temperature gauge in there. I'll link that down below if I can find the link for you. But his pork tasted so good, and we had at the last minute invited our friends over to hang out with us and eat this delicious meal that Scott really worked on since I was out shopping, and see how good it looks. And we had our friends over and we had a good time and sat on the deck afterwards and just chatted. We are loving our new blue cushions, and I will tell you a little bit more about that here in a minute. Since it was a last minute dinner and I had plans to go out shopping, I didn't make a dessert, but I pulled together this quick little dessert charcuterie for us to snack on. Then on another day, I did a Walmart pickup. The main thing in here I wanted to share with you is Nana loves that soup and she can't find it at her grocery stores, so we got some for her. Okay, now let's talk about our blue cushions. Y'all remember the big umbrella from Big Lots last year, the rug from Big Lots last year? We've had that brown furniture for so many years from Walmart. It's been good furniture. But last year we had tan cushions, but they were not very cushy, or they weren't firm enough. They kind of sunk all the way down when you sat on them. So this year we upgraded and got firmer, more plush blue cushions from Home Depot, and I will link them below for you. And here is the before and the after. I was a little hesitant to lose the tan cushions because I thought it just looked so good, but now I'm loving the blue, and they are much more supportive. And you see that umbrella is just the best thing ever. We have been loving that umbrella. Okay, and I picked up a zero water filter because for health reasons, just wondering, if having pure water is going to be better. However, this thing takes forever to fill up, so I think it might be going back to Walmart. That's where I got it if you want one. If you know what's wrong with this thing, I cannot wait that long to fill up the water. You have to put water in it, then wait for it to go out, then I just don't have that much patience. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. And then here are some plastic cases that I ordered from Amazon, and I'm going to put them in the car glove compartment and console, and I'm going to put some labels on there too, but different things that we like to keep in the car, like scissors and tape in case you have to wrap a present at the last minute, a pen to write a card, lens wipes for Scott's glasses and my sunglasses, and also some floss picks. You always need some of those in the car, right? And then, of course, I have to have my Tylenol. So I have a little pack of Tylenol, Band-Aids. There's some Advil in there too. Some forks and salt and pepper and spoons, just in case you get a to-go item and they don't give you your silverware. More will fit in there, but that's just all I had. And that's what it looks like. I will be labeling those on a different day and sticking those in the car, and I'm sure I'll share with you the result. And here is some Tylenol 8-hour arthritis that I picked up because a nice subscriber said that she uses that for her back pain, so I'm going to give that a try. And this deep pore scrub I use every single day. I even have it in my travel bag and everything. And this leave-in conditioner I wanted to try. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm really in love with this coconut oil from Palmer's. I use it on my face and my nails and everything. And then this I haven't tried. This is the lotion that's made out of the same stuff. The other one was oil, and I put that on my face, this one, for I use the whole bottle, so I have been really loving that. And then this is the lotion that I wanted to try, and you'll see it's kind of like a gel-like consistency, and it smells really good. It smells so coconutty and beachy, so you may like to get you some. And then when I put it on my hand here, you'll see that it's kind of glossy and just really moisturizing, so I really like it. while we were at Hobby Lobby, I bought this pillow fluff stuff that you get in a bag in like where all the fabric and stuff is. And I decided that to sleep, you know, because I have the fractured ribs, I'm going to like wrap this around. I've tried this a couple times and I really like it. And Maddie gave me the white thick stretch Velcro elastic band, but it was a little too tight, so I had to go get a longer one. And I got this one. I wish it was thicker, as far as like, this is 3 inches and Maddie's gave me one that's more stiff and like that wide, but this is longer, so it doesn't like, you know, it's not supposed to be too tight. I just need the cushion, so when I lay down, like I have fractures everywhere, so when I lay on this side, there's cushion. When I lay on my back, there's cushion. And then also in the front, it's like really painful, like in the front, like when I lay on my stomach. So like right here is really painful. I can feel like the pain in my ribs. So the cushion has been helping, and I'm just telling y'all about this in case you know anybody who has cracked ribs. But this has the Velcro on it. I just wrap it all the way around, sleep in it. It just makes it really comfortable. The other thing you can do, which I was trying before I did this, was sleep on a pillow. Like if I'm on my side, sleep on a pillow. If I'm on my back, the pillow is right there. Like kind of a thin pillow, just to give you that extra cushion. And that was working, but this is working better. That way I don't have to like lay on a pillow. And every time I move, it goes with me. So it's pretty cool. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.